Welcome dear student. Let's start today's video with a new concept. So in this video we shall learn about the covalent bond. So in our previous video we have already learned about the one type of a chemical bond, that was ionic bond. And what is an ionic bond? Let's see the definition. The chemical bond formed due to an electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged cation and anion is called an ionic bond. So in today's video we shall learn about covalent bond. Let's start with the concept. And this is so student, let's see what is a covalent bond. So a covalent bond is formed when atoms of two elements having similar properties. That means the atoms like hydrogen bond. Hydrogen atom. So these covalent bond forming between the two similar atoms or two similar elements. And such atoms cannot exchange electron. Instead, these atoms share electron with each other. That means the elements having the similar property or identical property, they will share their electron with each other and they will form covalent bond. The shared electrons become a common property of both the atoms, and thereby the electron duplet or octet of both the atoms becomes complete. That means while sharing the electron with each other, their octet or their last shell is completely filled with the proper number of electron. So what in short, what is a covalent bond? This is a bond which is forming between the two identical elements, and this formed by sharing of electrons between the two atoms. Now let's understand the types of a covalent bond. So here first type of a covalent bond is a single bond, in which it is formed between the two atoms and share a pair of electron. That means when atoms share two electron, single covalent bond formed. So suppose example is hydrogen molecule. So while sharing the two electrons, the one single covalent bond formed between the hydrogen molecule. Second is double bond. So it is formed between the two atoms when they share two pairs of electrons. That means sharing of 4 electrons form two double covalent bond. An example is like this oxygen molecule. So you can see them by sharing the 4 electrons or 2 pairs of electrons, the double covalent bond is formed between oxygen molecule. Now triple bond, it is formed between the two atoms when they share 3 pairs of electron. Now 3 pairs of electron, that means total 3 electron. And you can see the in between the nitrogen atoms, the triple bond form. 3 covalent bonds are there. So example is nitrogen molecule. You can clearly observe the picture and you can see the triple bond is formed by sharing of 3 pairs of electron or 6 electrons, total 6 electrons. So these all were the types of covalent bond. Now we will see the formation of a covalent bond between different molecule. So let us first consider an example of the hydrogen molecule. So student, we know that hydrogen atoms contain only one electron in its first shell, and its duplet is short of 1 electron, and therefore the valency of hydrogen is 1. That means as the shell contain only 1 electron, so valency of hydrogen is 1. And the two atoms of hydrogen are identical and have similar tendency, and therefore they share their electrons with each other. That means two hydrogen atom having having similar properties, they share their electron with each other, and as a result the electron duplet of both the hydrogen atom is complete and a chemical bond is formed between them. And the chemical bond which is formed by sharing of valence electron of two hydrogen atoms with each other is called as a covalent bond. That means a bond which is forming by sharing of electron is nothing but a covalent bond. So from two hydrogen atom, a hydrogen molecule can be formed with a covalent, single covalent bond. And the hydrogen molecule from two hydrogen atoms using the diagrammatic representation of electronic configuration, you can see in the on the screen. And a covalent bond between two atoms is also represented by dash joining their symbol. So this was the first example of covalent bond. Now let's consider the second example. It is a covalent bond formed in water molecule, that is H2O. Now the water molecule of a covalent compound is formed from the hydrogen and oxygen atom, and there are 6 electrons in the valence shell of oxygen atom. You can see there are total 6 electrons in the second shell of the oxygen atom. It means that the electron octet in oxygen is short of 2 electrons, and the valency of oxygen is 2. That means if it will gain 2 electron from the next hydrogen atom, its electron duplet will complete. And in the water molecule, the oxygen atom completes its octet by forming 2 covalent bonds, one each with the 2 hydrogen atom. And while this happens, the duplets of the hydrogen atoms also are completed. So the sharing of electron takes place between the one oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. So both 3 atoms complete their octet state and they will form the water molecule. And here also two covalent bonds are formed, but it is single bond. That is water molecule. You can see the formation of the water molecule from 2 atoms, 3 atoms, that is 1 oxygen and 2 atoms of hydrogen. Let's consider the third example. Covalent bond is in HCl or hydrochloride. Now there is one covalent bond between the component atoms of hydrogen and chlorine of the molecule HCl. That means in chlorine the electronic configuration is 287. That means chlorine require 1 electron from the hydrogen atom to complete its octet state. So what happened? Chlorine and sharing of electron takes place between the hydrogen and chlorine to form the HCl compound or hydrochloride compound. So this is how the covalent bond is formed, by sharing of the electron between the atoms of element having identical property or similar property. So student, I hope you all have understood this concept of covalent bond very well. So next concept we will start in our next session. Thank you.